G'day folks, welcome to the Frustrated Dropshipper. In this video I'm going to show you how to change the text color of your top menu, these icons, as well as the drop down menu under your mobile version, so right here. So if you had a logo that you wanted to have a dark color up in this header, I showed you in a previous video on how to change the color of your header, but if you wanted to have a dark color in this header, then obviously having dark text on a dark background is not going to work. However, if you change the text to a light color for these two options here, anyone who visits your site on their mobile will get the light text on this light background here. So you'll want to update both the text color of your header as well as the background color of this drop down menu if you're going to have a dark background with a light text. So that's it. That's what I'm going to show you in this video. If you want to know how to change the background color, go ahead and check out the other video I have on the channel. So without wasting any more time, and I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go to your dropshipping store, click down under online store and be under the themes section. Under this drop down menu, choose the actions and edit code. Once you're under the code page, now I already have the file loaded, but to load this file you go to the search box and type in theme.scss.liquid, and under assets you'll see this file here. Click on it, open the file, and then go right down to the very bottom. So in the last video I showed you to add this line of code here, and this is what allows you to change the background of your header. So now I'm going to show you what code you need to add in order to change the rest of the sections. So this piece of code right here, I'm just going to copy and paste it in. This piece of code right, oh actually no, let me backtrack a bit. We'll cover that one after. Go back here. Just give me a second here. Alright, so we'll grab this code and this code here. I'm going to paste that in. So what this code does, so as I mentioned, this bit here is for the background color of your header. You can, well, I guess you don't really need to see the other video now, but that's the code there. And this section here, it says change the header navigation and icon color. And I added this section here, and this, well, actually nav item color, my mistake, not icon. So this section here will change just the menu. So if you add this code here, put in your color code that you want to use, this will change just this portion here only. So let me go ahead and show you that now. So I'll take out this here and go ahead and save. Go ahead and bring up the site again. And now as you can see, this is obviously not the colors I'm choosing, it's just random color. So as you can see, the menu has updated to reflect the change that you made here with this code. For the icons, however, these over here, these are still dark, so you're going to want to actually update those as well. So the remaining code here will allow you to change it. So the icon search, the icon cart, the icon hamburger, I'm not actually sure what the hamburger is. Oh, that's probably this here. I'll show you. I didn't realize they called it a hamburger. So this is probably called a hamburger because it looks like a hamburger. So I'm going to assume that that's what they mean by hamburger. And then the icon customer, which would be the exit over here. Oh, this theme don't have it. The icon customer would be the little picture of a the little icon to access your account, a little picture of a man, I guess, a little icon, or a little picture of a customer. So that's pretty much it there. So once you add this code here, you got the option to change the color of the text as well as the color when you put your mouse over the text. So I'm going to go ahead and show you that now. Let's go ahead and save. And I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page again. Close these extra ones down. And now as you can see, I chose, this is a random colors, but the icon and everything is white, and when you put your mouse over it, it turns red. So when over here, if you put your mouse over it, you'll see that that happens. As well, same thing happens under the mobile version. All the icons are white, and well, I guess on the mobile version you don't have you don't put your mouse over anything, so there's no hover. But as you can see, the icons are changed to the color that we have in the text. So, but as you can see, if I had have chosen a white, well, I'm not going to change it, but if I had chosen a very light color instead of orange here, when we went into the mobile version and clicked the drop down, you would have had white text on a white background, which obviously wouldn't be very useful. So to change that background color, all you need to do now is add this piece of code right here. So I'm going to go ahead and copy that, throw it into my file. So this piece of code here takes the mobile navigation wrapper, which is the background for that submenu, and changes the background color to whatever color you want it to be. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. I'm going to bring up the site again. I bring it up this way because you're more likely to have a fresh page rather than draw on the cache from the computer. So once we go into the mobile version of this now and we click on it, as you can see now the background color of this drop down menu matches whatever color you want it to be. So if you had a light text here, you're going to obviously want to have a darker background. My personal preference would not be the same color as the header color because it doesn't really look that great, but definitely you want a different shade but have a darker color than your text so you can actually read it. So that's it, folks. That's how you change the navigation menu color, the icon colors, as well as the drop down background color of this menu when you're viewing it from a mobile device. So it's a very simple process, very simple. I haven't tested it on other themes, but I'm sure it's pretty much the same for majority of themes, or at least you can figure out some modifications to it. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and comment below. I'm planning on putting out a lot more videos like this. Whenever I run into a problem that I think other people will have the same problem, I'm going to probably create a video for it and post it so that you can get answers to your questions and help you grow your Shopify business while I'm growing mine. So I'd like for you to stick with me. If you enjoyed these videos, go ahead and subscribe below, hit the notification button. Obviously hit like on the video if you enjoyed it. Everything will help. I want to grow this channel as much as I can so I can help as many people in the drop shipping space as I can possibly do, and hopefully between everyone we'll get our businesses on the go, get some extra money in our pockets. That's what the goal is, ain't it? So have a great day. I don't have anything more for this video, so see you later.